Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, it's recommended to check the battery level on your watch. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So if your battery is lower than 20%, I recommend to charge it before continuing. Okay, now let's continue with the reset. So wake up the screen, then press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and find the option settings and tap on it. And here you will see the option called factory reset, this one. Tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Let me check if I confirmed. I did. Okay, so let's wait. And after a couple of seconds, you will see the list of languages on the screen. That means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.